soon as you arrive to campus at UVM, you are quickly immersed into embedded fieldwork.
We want you to jump in with both feet, get comfortable with that, and then learn the skills that we teach you in the classroom.
One thing that's really exciting is that we're going to have real clients coming into our space. So we're going to have some pediatrics clients coming in. We'll have the rock climbing wall, all the toys, and we'll do some treatment planning with them. So that'll be really exciting and fun.
The most valuable takeaway that I take from each fieldwork experience is being able to work with patients in different contexts.
You are able to take what you learn from the classroom and then apply it to real life situations, build meaningful and therapeutic relationships with these clients.
So we teach you the stuff here, we practice it here, we go out into the community and we apply all of the things that we've learned here, and then we come back, we'll discuss it, unpack it, and then help you reflect on it, and then apply that to the next learning opportunity.
Learning about how to use the space, using it in an applicable way rather than just learning the didactic work in the classroom.
By the end of the program, towards graduation, you're able to possess the necessary interpersonal skills and apply that to your future career. And this can be super beneficial in working not only with your clients, but also in an interprofessional team as well.
Really getting to know our local Vermont community through fieldwork experience has been a really great opportunity for me here.